Let me open with a dangerous question. What if your browser, the thing you use every day, could actually pay you, not points, not coupons? I'm talking real money. Cash you can withdraw. Cash that stacks quietly in the background. Sounds impossible. Good. Because the people making money with Comet Browser were exactly where you are right now. Curious, doubtful, skeptical. Then they tried it. And that's when everything changed. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Now, let's pressure test this. 6 methods. 0 experience needed. And every single one is beginner friendly. Ready? Let's break the internet. First minute, extremely strong. Imagine getting paid for browsing, paid for searching, paid for doing absolutely nothing different. What would you do with an extra $50 this week? Groceries? Bills? Or maybe, reinvest that into something bigger? Comet Browser is quietly becoming the browser of hustlers. The browser of creators. The browser of people who refuse to stay broke. Why? Because it turns your normal internet behavior into income. Yet almost no one is talking about it. Except the ones making money. And today, you become one of them. Let's go. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. 6 ways Comet makes you money. Number 1. Passive browsing rewards. This is the low effort, high payout method. Every time you search, click, scroll, or open tabs, Comet stacks rewards in the background. No tasks. No surveys. No nonsense. Just browsing. Like getting paid rent for using the internet. Number 2. Comet's AI search bonuses. Most people don't know this exists. If you use the AI-powered search instead of Google, you earn higher rewards instantly. And the AI actually gives better answers, so you get paid to be more productive. Wild. Number 3. Cash-boosting daily missions. Small challenges. Tiny tasks. 5-second missions. Complete them, stack rewards, get paid. The fastest method beginners use to hit their first $5 to $10. Number 4. Referral boosting. This isn't some boring affiliate thing. Comet pays aggressively. Bring a friend, you both earn. Bring 10, you're suddenly earning passively off their browsing too. This is where people start making real money. Number 5. Cash outs with 0 fees. Most reward apps choke you with restrictions, minimums, borders, fees. Comet, none of that? Your earnings. Your wallet. Your moment. Number 6. Comet Tasks Marketplace. Here's the powerhouse. Micro tasks powered by AI integrations. You complete tasks inside the browser, and you get paid instantly. This is the tool that made me $100. You'll see it at the end. Mid-section. Build curiosity and momentum. Right now, someone is earning with Comet while watching this. The question is, why aren't you? You don't need skills. You don't need tech knowledge. All you need is a browser, a few clicks, and the drive to start. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Deep dive segments. Let's zoom out for a second. People waste 3 to 5 hours a day online, scrolling, searching, doing nothing valuable. Comet flips that equation. Your wasted time becomes income. Your browsing becomes profit. This is the new wave of micro-earning tools. Now let's break down real-world strategies users are doing. Strategy 1. Multi-device stacking. Use Comet on your laptop, your phone, your office PC. Triple the browsing. Triple the earnings. Strategy 2. Speed missions. Knock out the missions first. They boost your reward multiplier all day. Small effort, high impact. Strategy 3. Daily cash out cycle. Earn. Cash out. Repeat. The quick dopamine cycle keeps you consistent. Strategy 4. AI search farming. Switch all searches to Comet AI. Boosts your income by 20 to 40% automatically. Strategy 5. Share to win. Share with 5 friends. That's passive earnings for life. This is how people hit $50 to $100 weeks. Hard truth moment. Let's pressure test a blind spot. If you're thinking, this won't work for me, ask yourself, have you tried any income tool consistently for 7 days? Or do you quit on day 1? This won't make you rich, but it will get you started. And starters become earners. The final method is where the money is. The task marketplace. Short tasks, fast payouts. And the tool I used paid me $100. Watch this. Reveal, the $100 tool. Inside the marketplace, there's something called AI content tasks. Tiny content-based missions. You generate small pieces using AI, submit, get paid instantly. No writing skills needed. This alone hit my first $100. If you want the easiest start, this is it. You've now seen all 6 methods. You've seen the strategies. You've seen how beginners are cashing out. And now you have a choice. Keep browsing for free, or browse and earn. If you want more breakdowns like this, if you want every new AI income tool the moment it drops, subscribe. Hit the bell. Stay ahead. I drop these AI money-making tools every week. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Blank, underscore, blank, your future self will thank you. Momentum beats perfection. Start small. Stay consistent. Stack results. Simple actions compound. The internet rewards speed. Don't wait for permission. Tools don't change lives, using them does. Your phone is a paycheck. Your browser is a side hustle machine now. The next 30 days can look different. If you start today, this isn't luck, it's leverage. Leverage beats effort. Effort beats excuses. And excuses keep people broke. Choose your side. Comet Browser is free. Your time isn't. Make it pay you. Every click counts. Every search counts. Every day counts. You're either earning, or observing others earn. Observation changes nothing. Execution changes everything. Test it for 24 hours. Track your rewards. Watch them grow. It's addictive. In a good way. Better than scrolling for nothing. Better than wasting hours. Better than waiting for miracles. Miracles follow momentum. Momentum starts here. Right now. You're on the edge of a new income habit. Just take the step. You'll look back and laugh that it was this simple. That's how breakthroughs happen. Quietly. In the background. While you browse. While you search. While you live your life. This is the power of Comet. Small gains, stacked daily, turn into big results. If you stay consistent. If you stay curious. If you stay ahead. And you will. Because you're here. Watching this. Learning. Improving. Leveling up. That's the mindset that wins. Winners use tools. Losers ignore them. Simple as that. The choice becomes obvious. Earn while browsing. Or browse for free. Nobody will force you. But opportunity won't wait. And neither should you. This is your sign. This is your moment. Take it. Turn it into income. Turn it into momentum. Turn it into something bigger. I believe you will. Because you've watched this far. That already separates you from 99%. So go. Install Comet. Start earning. Track your first dollar. It feels different when money comes from your browser. It hits different. Because it's yours. And you made it. With zero skills. Zero risk. Zero friction. This is the easiest win of the year. So take it. And I'll see you tomorrow. Because that upload is the one that changes everything.